Want to know how to optimize your news website for search engines? Today we're exploring the ins and outs of SEO, or search engine optimization, specifically tailored for news websites. SEO is crucial in today's digital age. It's the hidden tool that ensures your news articles reach a wider audience and remain relevant in a sea of information. So why not master it? Stay tuned as we delve into the essentials of SEO for news websites. Why is SEO essential for news websites? In this digital age, the importance of search engine optimization, or SEO, cannot be overstated. With the click of a button, the world's information is at our fingertips, and news websites are no exception. The online landscape is teeming with information, making it essential for your news website to stand out in the crowd. SEO is the key to ensuring your news articles reach a wider audience. It makes your website more visible, increasing your chances of appearing at the top of search engine results. This in turn drives more traffic to your site, leading to more readers and, ultimately, increased revenue. Moreover, SEO keeps your content relevant. In the rapidly changing news cycle, it's vital to stay on top of the game. SEO helps you do just that, ensuring your content remains fresh and up to date. Now that we understand the importance of SEO, let's explore how to implement it. The first step to successful SEO is keyword research. But what exactly is keyword research? Well, it's the process of identifying the most popular words and phrases people enter into search engines when looking for news content like yours. These keywords are the seeds from which your SEO strategy grows. By understanding the search habits of your audience, you can tailor your content to their needs and interests. To do this, you'll need the help of tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush. These resources can help you uncover the high-ranking keywords your audience is already using. By incorporating these keywords into your content, you increase the likelihood of your articles showing up in search results. But remember, it's not just about the number of keywords. It's about their relevance and the value they add to your content. So choose wisely and diversify your keyword portfolio. With the right keywords, you're on your way to SEO success. Content is king in the world of SEO. This phrase rings truer than ever when optimizing a news website. What does that mean? Well, the quality of your articles is of utmost importance. Google, Bing, and other search engines prioritize content that is unique, accurate, and informative. But it's not just about stuffing your articles with facts and figures. A well-structured piece that flows smoothly and is easy to understand will hold your readers' attention and keep them coming back for more. Be sure to provide value. Whether it's a breaking news story, an in-depth analysis, or a thought-provoking opinion piece, your content should offer insights that your readers can't find anywhere else. Remember, your goal is to become a trusted source of information. High-quality content not only attracts a wider audience, but also signals to search engines that your website is a reliable platform. Great content attracts both readers and search engines. So keep your standards high and your articles top-notch. Mobile optimization is a must in today's mobile-first world. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, the majority of internet users are now accessing content via their mobile devices. This shift in user behavior has made mobile optimization an indispensable aspect of SEO strategy for news websites. Why, you may ask? Well, it's simple. Google's algorithms have a mobile-first indexing approach, meaning they predominantly use the mobile version of a website for indexing and ranking. If your news website isn't optimized for mobile, you're missing out on a significant chunk of potential traffic. Moreover, mobile optimization goes beyond just pleasing search engines. It's about enhancing the user experience. A mobile-optimized website ensures that your content is easily accessible, readable, and navigable on smaller screens. This leads to improved user engagement and lower bounce rates, which in turn boosts your SEO. Remember, a mobile-optimized website is a win-win for both users and search engines. Page speed isn't just about user experience, it's about SEO too. When your pages load faster, your audience is more likely to stay engaged. But did you know that your website speed also influences how search engines rank your site? That's right. Google, for instance, considers page speed as a ranking factor. The faster your pages load, the better your chances of ranking higher in search results. Now, you might be wondering, how can I check my website speed? Well, there are several tools out there that can help you with this. One of them is Google PageSpeed Insights. It's a free tool that not only measures your site's speed, but also offers recommendations on how to improve it. So whether you're publishing breaking news or in-depth articles, remember to keep your website running smoothly and swiftly. because in the online world, every second counts. Remember, time is of the essence, both for your readers and for search engines. Meta tags are small but mighty components of SEO. These snippets of code tucked away in the HTML of your page might be invisible to your site visitors, but they're incredibly visible to search engines. They're like the secret language you use to talk directly to Google, Bing, and the like, telling them exactly what your content is all about. Now, the most important meta tags for your news website would be the meta title and the meta description. Your meta title acts as the headline for your page in search results, so make it catchy and relevant. Meanwhile, your meta description is like a mini summary of your article, and it can be a powerful tool to draw readers in. But it's not just about attracting clicks. Meta tags also help search engines to understand and index your content appropriately, influencing how you rank in search results. So take your time crafting these little snippets. With compelling meta tags, you can improve click-through rates and search engine understanding of your content. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. They're vital in the world of SEO because they signal to search engines that your content is credible, useful, and worthy of citation. The more quality backlinks you have, the higher your website's potential to rank on search engine result pages. So, how do you go about building a strong backlink profile? Well, there are several strategies you can employ. First off, consider guest posting. This involves writing valuable, unique content for other websites in your niche. In return, you'll traditionally receive a backlink to your site within the content or author bio. Outreach is another effective strategy. Reach out to high-authority websites and propose a content collaboration, or simply suggest they link to your valuable content. Also, take advantage of networking opportunities in your niche to foster relationships that could lead to backlink opportunities. Remember, it's all about quality, not quantity. Quality backlinks can boost your website's credibility and visibility. Social media isn't just for likes and shares. It's a powerful SEO tool. In our interconnected digital world, social media platforms are invaluable in extending the reach of your news website. By sharing your articles on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, you're not just engaging with your existing audience, but also discovering new readers who might not have found you through traditional search methods. Every like, share, or retweet your content receives increases its visibility. These social signals are taken into account by search engines, contributing to the overall relevance of your content in search results. Furthermore, social media can stimulate conversation around your articles, leading to more engagement and potentially even more backlinks. So don't underestimate the power of social media integration. Make it easy for your readers to share your content and actively engage with them on these platforms. Harness the power of social media to amplify your content and enhance your SEO. In the world of news, freshness matters. Consistently updating your content is not only beneficial for your readers, it's also a powerful SEO strategy. Search engines like Google appreciate websites that are regularly updated with fresh and relevant content. It signals that your site is active, trustworthy, and committed to providing the latest news. Now you might wonder, how do I keep my content fresh? It's simple. Continually revisit your articles and add new information as it becomes available. It could be anything from a recent development in a story you covered to updated statistics or even a follow-up piece. Don't forget to adjust the publication date when you make significant updates. This lets search engines know that your content has been refreshed. And remember, it's not just about adding new content, it's also about improving the quality of existing content. Keep your content fresh and keep your readers and search engines coming back for more.